Hey guys, it's me again, Yeldo. So today I will show sa inyo paano mag-mix ng wavy vocals inside Pro Tools. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so meron akong song dito. Another Bisaya wavy song. I'll link this song sa description below. As usual, I will play first a quick preview na itong song and then I will break down all of the plugins I used per vocals. So let's play.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Yeah, you know it, I'm down for you. Ikaw maka-fix akong mood. Isa ka sa ginakwaan na kusog.
Alright, so nakaset up na ang mga effect sends ko dito sa baba. So in this video, I will not explain sa details kung paano mag-route sa sends and buses dito sa Pro Tools. I will make a separate video for that soon. Right now, we'll just introduce yung mga plugins na ginamit ko one by one.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Yeah.
First, let's start dito sa main hook vocals. Naglagay ako ng EQ. Stock EQ lang ito ng Pro Tools. Simple low cut, tas boosting the highs sa may 7 to 8K range.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha
Next is SSL EQ by Waves. Boosting din ako konti dito sa highs and mid-range, tas konting bawas sa lows and a little bit of compression na rin.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha
Next up is our compressor. So for this one, it's just very subtle lang. Ang purpose lang nito is to balance yung tone ng vocals kasi I have two compressors pa that will be added and we'll do the heavy compression after this R comp. So next is CLA76, medium attack, fast release, and 4:1 ratio.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta.
So dito naman sa CLA2A is I have a 10 dB of gain reduction. Yeah, it's too much but I like the tone of this one in combination with the beat.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw.
Next is RDSer, eliminating lang the harshness around 8K.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila.
And now I have here my first effect send, which is etong imaging. Meron itong Doubler 2 and S1 stereo imager. Basically, in-adjust ko lang dito sa my send fader niya to make it blend nicely sa main vocals.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaagtang.
Next to send is saturation or color. For this one, I used Abbey Road Saturator. This plugin is very good at boosting the presence sa vocals.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaagtang.
Next naman is our verb. Ito yung settings ko. Naka-play 2 yung type niya.
Ay balaka kay manlaagtang duha maglingaw-lingaw ta pasuyaon to sila. Ay
Sunod naman is H delay. Naka 8th note delay ito, tas naka filter mode.
Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha, maglingaw-lingaw ta, pasuyaon to sila. Ay
Moving on dito sa mga background vocals and adlibs sa hook.
Pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha.
So all of this ay nakaroute sa HBV bus. Same lang sila ng vocal chain from the main hook vocals. I also added meta flanger pala to this bus. So basically, iisa lang ang effect chain netong mga background and adlib vocals. And as you can see sa name netong tatlong tracks, merong panned and P. Meaning neto is eto lang yung mga lalagyan ko ng panning effect. I added auto pan plugin. You can use naman any panning plugins like yung Waves Brower Motion, pan man ng Sound Toy, and yung pancake ng Cable Guys.
You know it, I'm down for you. Ikaw maka-fix akong mood. Isa ka sa ginakwaan ng kusog.
Alright, so dito naman sa verse is also the same vocal chain from the main hook vocals. What I did lang dito is balancing the levels using the volume fader. This verse also has background vocals and adlibs just like yung sa main hook. Nothing too complex here. The same lang ito sa hook background vocals. All of this ay nakaroute sa HBV bus.
Kung saan ni akong gibate, maghatuhan yun ba sa
And just like the hook background vocals, meron din itong tracks na nakapanned. So I've added again the auto pan plugin. Next is etong intro. Nakaroute lang din ito sa HBV bus. So for my mix bus naman is I only have VU meter and Abbey Road TG mastering. Kaya meron akong VU meter is I always make sure na yung overall sound ng track will not go beyond 0 dito sa VU.
Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha, maglingaw-lingaw ta, pasuyaon to sila.
And for this TG mastering plugin naman is eto yung settings ko. I just selected a preset, then I've adjusted the settings to the taste or sound na gusto ko.
Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha, maglingaw-lingaw ta, pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha, maglingaw-lingaw ta, pasuyaon.
Okay, so let's play again the track with all of the plugins na naka-activate.
Sulitin mawataran habang kita kay bata pa, mag-enjoy taog diwas, hatod mga wata. Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha, maglingaw-lingaw ta, pasuyaon to sila. Ay balaka kay manlaag tang duha.
Alright, so that is basically it guys kung paano mag-mix ng wavy vocals dito sa Pro Tools. I hope you learned something new dito sa video. Just play around lang sa mga settings and explore. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Happy mixing and bye-bye.